Hello, Loyola University Technology Introduction class. Um, this is my final assignment. I have to design a website, and the assignment name is Tech Spotlight website. So let me present you this website. First of all, I have home, about us, web applications, SMR, TPAG, and my assignment. So this is the home page. The home page is my student and the classes, the computer lab. We have a class video, guided practice, student work, and here about us. This is a last year class. We went to Canada, and that was the Montreal, the Mount Area. That's what they call it, Montreal, which did the name to the city. So from then I had to talk about cloudy computer. We talked about cloudy computer, and we have four kind of computing. So we have clustering, virtualization, we have hosted instances, we have hosted solutions, and I explain here too a video we can tell you this is a website. We describe also the cloudy computer. We have to which the video we can help you to understand clearly what the cloud computer is. Also, we learn many technique of teaching, many strategies, and one of them is substitution, augmentation, modification, and redefinition, SAMR. This is I don't go deeply to explain it, but you can see what we did. Here we spend a lot of time on TPAT, which is really very insightful because it gives you the content and the criteria, the qualities of being an effective teacher. So before, teachers were using pedagogy and content, and everything was a teacher-centered learning. Today, I think we have another generation of students where we're talking about digital classes. So now we have to combine not only pedagogy and content knowledge, but also technology to our classroom and our instruction. And this Venn diagram is really telling you everything that you can do for your class to be effective. The last one is all my assignment. I will just take a time to explain the assignment for everything I put there. So first of all, I have the classroom slide. After the classroom slide, I have the homework sheet, the worksheet. There is no homework on it. And here I have the work I did, the first assignment, Introduction to Education Technology. And this one is also one of our assignments. So I won't take the time to do the same thing for everything, but I just want to show you that. Class 2, we have this. Week 2. Week 3, we have our video, and also we have our cartoon. Class 4, we have the mapping. It's here. You can see it. the mapping. And class 4, we have the video, to explain everything, but I'm sorry, open my mouth, so I just start the video. It's a video to explain what is being effective teacher, 21st century teacher. And also we have the week 4 screen casting. So this one also explain.
Hi, Loyola University and educational technology student.
So from here, I have to go to week 5, and week 5 is really a voice threat we should do in a small group. We did ours, and the others classmate did also. And I was planning to put everything in this website, but I didn't go through, it didn't work. It's here, you can see it, but everything is there. You have all the topics, but if you click on it, it's not voicing, it doesn't give you really what you're looking for. So we have also the assignment, the unit redesign lesson, and I put this one in an ebook, but I had a problem because my school is a French immersion school, and all my lesson plan are in French, so I had to take my time to translate 4 lesson plan. So I didn't go in detail because I didn't have a time. What I did is just a lesson plan, 5 years lesson plan that you can see here. And this 5 years lesson plan it gives you everything. And now I have the final, the summary, and all the lesson, the explanation of the lesson. So I explained the lesson, how the teacher should use this lesson to present properly the lesson, because I didn't have a time to put a slide where you can see student using the smart board to do everything. Now, also I put here, because we did blogs and so I put everything in YouTube, and this is the
Hello, hi, Loyola University
so
educational technology.
You can go there. We have also the blogs. These are the blogs. Yes, these are the blogs works. And the blogs, we have also the Twitter. We did a Twitter account, and that's the Twitter account I did, and it works also. So I put everything there. The Facebook, I was planning to put a Facebook, but this it gives me the page of my business, so I didn't want to remove it, but it's okay. Then I have to present all the references I used. Is a lot, so I didn't want to put everything, because this class has a lot of information and we used it, and I use it to do my work. So thank you very much. I really want to take this time to thank my instructor who allowed me to be advanced. I know teaching today is very challenging, and what I learned in this class was very good for me. So thank you very much, all the students, and thank you very much, Dr. Peggy, for your class. And I think this was insightful. This was good to see. That's my work, and I did it because you gave me all the information to do it. Thank you very much.